A modern family conundrum was the unexpected catalyst for the creation of the new annex, the immediate need of a newly married couple bringing two families together and requiring additional space to accommodate 7 children. This house in London, designed by the local studio Matos, is situated within a sunken courtyard surrounded by a secret flower garden. Located in the garden of their Victorian house in Battersea, the new 2-story building was originally planned as an annex for the older children, but was redesigned to be more flexible following the arrival of a new baby. The house is set within a sunken modernist courtyard, allowing its owners to escape the hustle and bustle of London and relax in a serene and calm setting. The lower story and courtyard are below ground level, while a bridge connects the street to the main entrance above. The house comprises 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a study, and a kitchen living room. Glazed doors slide open to reveal an open-plan living and dining room. Flower beds border the house, and a canopy of trees provides privacy from neighboring properties. The bedrooms are arranged on the first floor in clean white volumes that gently float above the windows. The high courtyard walls ensure privacy, framing an outdoor space where the family's youngest children can play within sight of their parents. A combination of internal light wells and skylights ensures that the bedrooms are flooded with natural light. The master bedroom faces the courtyard from this floor, while the upstairs bedrooms are naturally lit by skylights. Spotlights around the courtyard illuminate the exterior at night. It is the sunken courtyard, characterized by white pigmented concrete walls and floor, that defines the garden house and gives the house an exotic sensibility. Sliding doors open up the corner of the house, offering a seamless transition to a tranquil, enclosed garden.